This video shows how to install the Aquieen Ceiling Shower. Mark the installation points on the ceiling and drill the required mounting holes. Insert the supplied fasteners or anchor plugs securely into the drilled holes. Adjust the support rods to the required height and ensure the frame is perfectly level. Lock the position using the C-clips. Now connect the water inlet using the supplied connecting hoses, ensuring all connections are secure and leak-free. Attach the ceiling shower panel to the mounting frame and fasten it using the provided screws. Your Aquieen Ceiling Shower is now successfully installed and ready to deliver a luxurious and refreshing shower experience.
Aquieen luxury redefined.